Which famous scientist developed the theory of relativity? Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, Galileo Galilei, Nikola Tesla. The correct answer is Albert Einstein. How many legs does a spider have? 6, 8, 10, 12. The correct answer is 8. Which country is famous for inventing pizza? France, Italy, USA, Greece. The correct answer is Italy. What color is the sky on a clear day? Green, blue, white, yellow. The correct answer is blue. How many colors are there in a rainbow? 5, 6, 7, 8. The correct answer is 7. What is H2O more commonly known as? Salt, water, sugar, oxygen. The correct answer is water. Which sport uses a bat and ball and is popular in England and India? Cricket, baseball, golf, hockey. The correct answer is cricket. How many sides does a triangle have? 2, 3, 4, 5. The correct answer is 3. Which is the smallest country in the world? Monaco, San Marino, Vatican City, Liechtenstein. The correct answer is Vatican City. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? Charles Dickens, William Shakespeare, Jane Austen, Mark Twain. The correct answer is William Shakespeare. Which element has the chemical symbol Lo? Gold, oxygen, osmium, iron. The correct answer is oxygen. Who discovered penicillin? Louis Pasteur, Alexander Fleming, Marie Curie, Robert Koch. The correct answer is Alexander Fleming. What is the longest river in the world? Nile, Amazon, Yangtze, Mississippi. The correct answer is Nile. Which desert is the largest in the world? Sahara, Arabian, Gobi, Antarctic. The correct answer is Antarctic. What is the main ingredient in guacamole? Tomato, avocado, onion, cucumber. The correct answer is avocado. In which year did World War II end? 1940, 1942, 1945, 1948. The correct answer is 1945. Who is known as the Maid of Orleans? Marie Curie, Joan of Arc, Queen Elizabeth I, Catherine the Great. The correct answer is Joan of Arc. Which ancient wonder was located in Babylon? Colossus of Rhodes, Hanging Gardens, Lighthouse of Alexandria, Temple of Artemis. The correct answer is Hanging Gardens. What is the capital city of Canada? Toronto, Vancouver, Montreal, Ottawa. The correct answer is Ottawa. What is the capital of Iceland? Oslo, Reykjavik, Helsinki, Copenhagen. The correct answer is Reykjavik. Who was the first emperor of Rome? Julius Caesar, Augustus, Nero, Tiberius. The correct answer is Augustus. What is the chemical symbol for mercury? Me, Mr, Hg, Mo. The correct answer is Hg. Which African desert is the oldest in the world? Sahara, Namib, Kalahari, Gobi. The correct answer is Namib. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? Mars, Mercury, Venus, Pluto. The correct answer is Mercury. Which ocean is the deepest? The Atlantic, the Pacific, the Indian, the Arctic. The correct answer is the Pacific. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Yuri Gagarin, Buzz Aldrin, Neil Armstrong, John Glenn. The correct answer is Neil Armstrong. Which is the largest continent by land area? Africa, Asia, North America, Europe. The correct answer is Asia. Which animal is on the Australian coat of arms along with the emu, koala, kangaroo, platypus, wombat? The correct answer is kangaroo. What is the tallest mountain in the world above sea level? Mount Kilimanjaro, Mount Everest, K2, Mount Elbrus. The correct answer is Mount Everest. Who was the Greek god of the sea? Hades, Zeus, Poseidon, Apollo. The correct answer is Poseidon. Which is the largest internal organ in the human body? Brain, liver, heart, lungs. The correct answer is liver. Which Greek letter is used to represent the golden ratio? Alpha, P, Phi, Theta. The correct answer is Phi.